Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen for beginners. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delicious bowl. You'll need instant ramen noodles, a good quality broth, and any toppings you love. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. A rich broth is key, so choose wisely and prepare your toppings like eggs or green onions ahead of time. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling your ramen noodles. Follow the package instructions carefully, usually cooking them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. While your noodles cook, gently heat your broth in a separate pot. You want it simmering, not boiling, to preserve its delicate flavors. Feel free to add a little minced garlic or ginger to the broth for an extra aromatic kick. With your noodles and broth ready, it's time for the fun part: assembly. First, place your perfectly cooked noodles into a deep ramen bowl. Next, carefully pour the hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, making sure they are completely submerged and warm. Finally, artfully arrange your favorite toppings on top. Think about color and texture to make your bowl look as good as it tastes. Enjoy customizing your creation. Your delicious homemade ramen is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the perfect texture of the noodles and the comforting warmth of the broth. Don't be afraid to experiment with various toppings and broths in the future. There are countless combinations to explore and find your personal favorite. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep even easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Happy slurping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.